Hi guys, so we are quickly going to write our first drawing program. I'm going to create a new Java project for all the drawings that I'll call drawings. If I click in the right place, drawings, I'm going to say finish. It's going to ask me to create the module info.java, but I'm going to click don't create. I don't want that. Inside I'm going to create a new Java class and we'll call that my first drawing. And I'll click finish. And inside here I'm going to create my main class. My main method, not my main class, my main method. Right, so when we use StdDraw, there are a couple of things we always do. So it's best to start with those. Firstly, right at the start, I'm going to say StdDraw.set canvas size. And I'm going to say how big I want the window to be. I can choose any size. I'm just going to choose something that will fit neatly on the screen. So 400 seems fine. And StdDraw is unknown, that's why it's got a red line, and there's no option to import it because I haven't linked my library to this project. So I'm going to go to drawings, right click, build path, and add a configure build path, libraries, class path, add a jar from the library. So now standardlib.jar is linked to this drawings project as well. And I should be able to import StdDraw. There we go. So I started with set canvas size. The next two commands are almost always going to be set x scale. And I have a chance to set the coordinates. I don't have to do this. The default is that they'll be from 0 to 1. And in fact, I'll keep it like that for now. And I also have to set the Y scale, and I'll set that to 0, 1 as well. Then I'm going to issue my drawing commands. And right at the end, I'm going to say StdDraw.show. Okay, fine. And as we discussed in our online chat, there are tons of drawing commands, but let's just start with the simplest. I want to draw a line and I have to specify the starting coordinates, which I'll say is 0, 0, and the ending coordinates, which I'll say is 1, 1. And this will draw a diagonal line starting in the lower left corner and moving up to the upper right corner. So bottom left to top right. And I'll draw a second line that crosses that diagonal, and the diagonal in the other direction. I'm just changing it around like that. And as we did online, I'll also draw a circle. So I've got to specify the XY that defines the center and the radius. So the center will be 0.5, 0.5, and the radius will be 0.4. Okay, so let's save that and run it. And that should be fine. And there we go. StdDraw has created this picture for me. If I want, I can save it, but otherwise I'll just quit the program. Either by clicking up here in this right X, or by stopping the program down here. Let's stop it here. There we go.